Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrush YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the day 1 of Nmap Practical Series. So guys, as discussed in the day 0, in this complete series we will not cover the theoretical part of Nmap. We'll just cover the practical lab questions. So in this day 1 video, we'll cover the host discovery phase. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's video. So guys, here you can see we have the complete playlist of Nmap Practical Labs. And guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends. And guys, this is a most powerful playlist for your cybersecurity journey. You can get a complete knowledge on Nmap. So guys, now let's move towards the slides and our practical lab and we will start today's video. So guys, before moving towards the practical lab, let's discuss what is host discovery. So guys, here you can see we have the theory definition of host discovery. Here we have some of the commands, like here you can see we have 6 commands. So you can go through these commands, and here you can see we have some of the lab questions. So in this video, we will solve these 5 questions one by one in our lab environment. So guys, what is host discovery? So before finding any vulnerability in the network, so first of all, we have to know like what devices are alive in the network. So this phase is known as host discovery. So in today's video, we will solve different types of questions like how we can discover what machines are alive in our network. So let's move towards the practical lab and then we can start the video. So guys, as discussed previously, like Kali Linux will be our attacking machine and the metasploitable will be our target or victim machine. So let's power on these machines. So yes, here you can see we have already powered on, and now let's scan the network and let's discover the host. So guys, let's start with the first question, like how do you find a live host in your local subnet without actively scanning their ports? So guys, before solving this question, we have to find the subnet. To find the subnet, let's move towards the Kali Linux, and there we can use the command like IP route. So I'll use the command IP route, and here guys you can see we got our subnet. So we'll use this subnet to find or to solve these questions. So now we can solve the first question. So guys, for the host discovery phase, so here we can simply use the command like nmap and -sn. So this clarifies that we only scan for the host, not port scanning, only host discovery. And then we can write our subnet and we can simply give enter. So guys, here you can see we have got the result. Like here we have 5 hosts. So guys, we have solved the first question. Now let's move towards the second one. So guys, here we have our second question. Like Nmap uses ARP by default on local network. How can you force Nmap to use ARP request to discover host? So guys, ARP or Address Resolution Protocol. So this is a simple protocol that map the IP address into the MAC address in a local network. So guys, when we use the ARP flag, so this is byte faster than the normal host discovery phase. So let's solve this question. So like here we will use the command like nmap, then -pr, then -sn, and here we can write our subnet. So we can give enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result, and here we got the same 5 hosts quite faster than the previous one. So guys, we have solved the second question. Now let's move toward the third one. So guys, here we have the third question. Like how do you discover host using ICMP echo request while disabling the port scanning? So guys, to solve this question, we have to send a ICMP request to the network. So guys, let's solve this question. Like here, I will write the command nmap, then -pe, then -sn, and here we can write our subnet. So we can give enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result. We got our 5 hosts, and guys, we have solved the third question. Now let's move toward the fourth one. So guys, here we have the fourth question. Like firewall often blocks ICMP. How can you perform a TCP sync ping sweep against port 80 across a subnet to see who replies? So guys, to solve this question, we have to send a TCP sync flag. So this is the first phase in a three-way handshake. So after sending the sync flag, we'll check whether we are getting the reply or not. If the ports are open, then we will get a reply. Otherwise, we'll get rejected. So let's write the flag or write the command. So here I will type nmap, then minus ps 80. So 80 is TCP port. Then minus sn, and here we will write our subnet. So let's give enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result. So this clarifies that the sync flag had already got the result, like the ports are open. Guys, now we can move towards the final question, the fifth one. So guys, now here we have the final question or the fifth one. Like Metasploitable 2 is online, but it's ignoring your ping. How do you skip the host discovery phase entirely and force Nmap to scan it? So here we have the question, like if we know the Metasploitable is online, but it is not accepting our ping. So we will have to directly scan the Metasploitable 2 machine. So for that we have to find the target IP or Metasploitable 2 IP. So to confirm the Metasploitable 2 IP, we have to move towards the Metasploitable 2. So here we can use the ifconfig and we can get our target IP. And guys, here you can see we got our target IP here, and we will use this target IP to scan the Metasploitable 2. So now let's move towards the Kali Linux and scan this Metasploitable 2. So guys, here I will write the command like nmap, then minus pn, and here we will write the target IP and we can give enter. So guys, here you can see we have got the open ports list. So these all ports are open. So here we can check the port number, the status. So guys, we have solved the fifth question. So guys, we are all done with the day one video or the live host discovery. So guys, in the upcoming video, we will learn more concepts of Nmap and we'll solve more exciting questions like this. So guys, for more exciting questions, for more videos, subscribe to CyberCrush YouTube channel. Thank you.